Hi, I'm Maruko. Today I'm going to make Japanese chicken curry rice. It's a very typical Japanese home food. It has rich flavor and very easy to do, so it is very popular in Japan. First, let's prepare the ingredients we need. Cut the chicken thigh into small pieces. Add salt and sugar to make the chicken thigh more tender. Mix them well. We will use it later. Cut the potato and carrot into small cubes. Chop the onion into small pieces. Keep stir-frying the onion until the color turns brown. We use the onion as a kind of spicy because the burnt onion has a very rich flavor. Salt the chicken thigh until the color turns brown. Stir-fry the potato and carrot to reduce their moisture content. Put them into a pot. Add curry cubes. Add water. Add the onion. Fry with high heat. Then, turn to low heat. Stew with low heat in about 15 minutes. Add the chicken thigh. Stew with low heat in about 10 minutes. It's ready. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave your comment.